Hey guys, welcome back to another Crafty video. I'm the Crafty Gamer. Actually, I'm the Hooded Gamer now. Let me get this thing off. Hey guys, I'm the Crafty Gamer, and today we're going to do another unboxing from Pokemon TCG. I got a Tapu Bulu tin to unbox, so let's get to it. Alright guys, here it is, the Tapu Bulu tin. Let's get this baby open. Hoping to get some nice pulls again. Not really sure what kind of packs are in this tin, by the way. I believe there's one Evolutions, sadly. I really hope they stop printing them at some point, really. Seriously, Pokemon, stop it with the Evolution packs. Sick and tired of those. Right, plastic is off. Actually, I need one more Bulu for a Bulu deck. So this might actually be... see if I can get this cart out of here without actually... Wait, hang on. Is that in the front? Oh, it is in the front. Oh, you can just take it out like that. Oh, our Tapu Bulu GX. Sun and Moon promo 32. There it is. It's a really nice looking cart. I really like Bulu. It does a lot of damage with discarding its energies, but you can also just get them back with Vikavolt from your deck. Special charge to get them energies from your discard pile back into your deck. Wow. Okay, here's the code card for you guys. Let's see what kind of packs are in here. I believe there's 4 packs. Yeah. Is that it? That's it. Not really it. That is. Sorry, that's really it. There's a tin. There's Bulu on the side. There's Coco on the other side. Alright. Let's see. Yep, there it is. Evolutions. Seriously, Pokemon, stop making these. We got a pack of Steam Siege. We got 2 packs of Guardians Rising. So there is a chance for a Lele. Still hoping to get a Rainbow Rare Lele. So maybe we get lucky today. We'll start off with the Evolutions pack first, because seriously, stop making them. Sick and tired of those. As is, this is green code card anyway. 3 and 2 was it, right? Alright. Caterpie, Drowsy, we got a Magikarp, a Electabuzz, Rattata, Maintenance, another Switch, Magmar, Reverse Hollow Rare Farfetch, and the Farfetch. Oh wow. Back to back, 2 Farfetch in 1 pack. I got a pack of Steam Siege with Mega Gardevoir and Mega Gardevoir? Not sure if that's Mega Gardevoir, but it's Gardevoir in the front. Come on. Come on. There we go. Seriously, some of those packs just won't cooperate. There's a green code card. Oh well. Means we get more lucky with the Sun and Moon packs, right? Right? Hopefully. Lele's and stuff. Clauncher, Fletchling, Seedot. We got a Drifloon, Marill, Fletchinder, Pokemon Ranger, Tangrowth, a Reverse Larvesta, and a Nidoking. Actually, I don't have this one yet. So that is nice for the collection. 2 packs of Guardians Rising left. Como and Lycanroc. I think we'll go for Como first. Yeah, well, we struck a white code card, so that's always a good sign. Let's see. There is the fighting energy right there. Alright, let me just fumble that. We got a Murkrow, Helioptile, a Machop, a Slowpoke, a Alolan Vulpix, Watchog, a Glalie, Enhanced Hammer, a Reverse Rayquaza, and we got a oh my gosh! Rainbow Rare Tapu Koko GX. I'm getting a sleeve with my other hand here. Alright, well, we did get more lucky in the Sun and Moon packs. There's a Tapu Koko GX for you guys. off to our last pack. Sun and Moon Guardians Rising as well. Still hoping to get a Lily. Till this day I have not pulled a Lily. Actually I had to buy 2 to complete my deck. So, no, green code card, unfortunately. Let's see. Whoa, not fumble this. A grass energy card. We got a Machop, a Slowpoke, a little Vulpix, and Beldum. Battle Altar of the Sun, a little Graveler, Fletchinder, a Reverse Choice Band, that's nice for my deck. And Oricorio. So we're still gonna sleeve it. Still gonna sleeve the Choice Band because I need that for my deck. The more bling the better, right? Yeah, I don't know. I kinda like some extra bling. If it's not too much, and you know, like this is nice. Anyway, the highlight of the day is the Rainbow Rare Tapu Koko GX. Please leave a like if you like this, guys. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe down below, as well as follow me on Facebook and Instagram and my website if you want, of course. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay crafty, guys.